My name is Brenly Dueck, and I am here to kind of show off an app that I built for the Tanstack Start and Convex Hackathon. So basically the purpose of this app is just a way to create drafts, share them with your friends, have them sign up, have a bunch of people sign up to your draft, and then you can kind of start the draft, and then you can start drafting different hockey players. I'm from Canada, hockey is kind of a big thing here. And I've been in part of some fantasy drafts in the past, so I thought it would be cool to kind of recreate that a bit of selecting players and that type of thing for drafts. I tried to use as much of the sponsors as I kind of could. Obviously, I'm using Tanstack Start. I'm actually using the Solid.js version of Tanstack Start, so I don't think as many people are using it, but it works very well, and I love kind of using Solid.js for things. It's definitely been a cool learning experience and that type of thing. I use Netlify for hosting. You can view the app on live-olympic-hockey-draft.netlify.app. And once you get there, you'll come to a login screen, kind of like on the right hand side here. And on the left hand side here is I'm already logged in. Without further ado, let's kind of start by creating a draft. So if I click create draft and I do test draft, um, my team, and I'll just have it start kind of right away so that we can test that out as quickly as possible. So if I create draft, this kind of shows your draft, and then you can kind of copy this link or copy this URL to like copy it to a friend. So on the right hand side, I'll pretend this is like another user signing up for the draft. So I'll actually sign up, and I'll do John Doe test 5 test, and I'll sign in, which will redirect me automatically once I'm done signing into this join draft, which is linked by this URL so that it knows what draft to join. So if I put in my other team here, so the cool part about Convex is that when I join here on the right hand side, you'll automatically see it on the left hand side here. So if I join, you'll see it automatically kind of shows up here that someone has joined. It shows that I'm online, so that's kind of cool. So once you've kind of invited all your friends to be a part of this draft and you're all ready and you can make sure they're all online so they can properly draft, then I can hit start draft. So if I hit the start draft, you'll see again it live updates both sides. And it says like it's my turn to pick. So I can search players, let's say Brad Marchand, and pick him. And then because I made a pick on the left hand side, now the person on the right hand side can make a pick. So I'll make a pick here. It's kind of like snake order, so that's why the one user makes two picks, and then this user will make another two picks as well. So if I just pick some players here, you'll see the recent picks kind of updates on both sides, kind of live. The draft stats below that updates kind of as well. So you just go through your turns picking. In this case, there's a total of 12 picks, so I'll just keep picking. And then once you've made the final pick, it'll redirect you to this completed screen where it gives you the stats on the draft and kind of lists who you've picked and who the other team picked, so you can like see what your teams are, and then you can import this into some other fantasy that actually keeps tracks of the stats of these players and that type of thing. But this is just to draft different players and that type of thing. If I go back to dashboard, I can, when I log in a week from now, I can see the draft that happened that happened between the two teams, and I can log in and refresh my memory of who I all drafted and that type of thing. So yeah, this was kind of a cool project to hack on. It was kind of my first time using Convex, so it was very cool that some of this live updating and changing turn by turn, changing which user is using or is logged in or is able to pick. So that was cool. So yeah, give it a try. live-olympic-hockey-draft.netlify.app. I'll also try and post a link where I can. So try it out yourself. I think you can try this out with just one person. It's not doesn't quite illustrate it as well as kind of the two person like this, but I hope you enjoy it, and good luck to everyone in the hackathon. All right, thank you. Bye.